Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Okay, so yesterday's painting, it's not dry yet. I'm looking at it because I just did it, but it's my today, your yesterday. I did get cells. Just didn't love the mix of those colors together when they did mix. But what I did learn is that the Liquitex Basics Cadmium Red Deep Hue makes a good background. So, I have an idea for a bigger piece, and I wanted to test some colors out to see how it would look. So, I have, again, the Basics Cadmium Red Deep Hue. I have Artist Loft Old Gold and Artist Loft in Copper. I love red with metallics, and I just really wanted to see what would happen. So I'm going to do what I did yesterday and cover my edges. Okay, my edges are covered. I do that because sometimes in a straight pour, your edges, the paint doesn't adhere to it quite that well. Okay, gonna lay down a base coat. Actually, first let me pour a bit of this in my cup so I make sure I have enough. And that'll be good. Okay, so these paints were mixed, 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, and thinned to a consistency of when you drizzle your paint in the cup, it does not form a mound, it just immediately disappears. And that looks like it thickened up just a hair, so let's remedy that. I just added a drop of my 90% water, 10% Floetrol mixture. Let me check this one, make sure this one thickened up a bit too. Okay, there we go. So I will first do the copper. And then the gold. Okay, let's pour before it sells up in the cup. Pop some bubbles. I love watching the cells pop up as it stretches. I want to stretch those cells out. So I just want to catch it so I can get them to stretch. Always recentering your paint before changing direction. So I need to lose some on this side for composition's sake. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave that be. I was hoping to get a little bit more action right there, but I don't mind this because that little bit of shimmer right there, which you may not be able to see on video, but I think when that's dry, that's gonna look really cool, delicate. Okay, let me just give this a quick torch, pop any of those bubbles. All right, I'm gonna let this sit and see what it does, and we'll be back in a few. Okay, so here it is. This is dried. It was not level, so I lost my cell formations. Boo. But I do like the effect. I mean, I think that looks really cool. I imagine once, you know, this would be varnished, it would have a very cool effect. You can see. Oh, that was very shiny. So there it is, another experiment in the books. I hope you learned something. I sure did. I will definitely be playing with these colors some more, but I will make sure that my canvas is level. There was a couple of nice spots. Some of the lacing looked really cool. Like right there, I think. I dig it. Bummed that it shifted on me, but the overall effect is cool. Okay, so please check out the description box below this video for links to my website where I have paintings for sale and music. The Amazon link, if you enter through that link, any purchases that you make from anywhere on Amazon, it doesn't have to be necessarily just in my store, but anywhere from Amazon, I will make a small percentage of at no extra cost to you. There's also the link to the PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined. That helps me stay stocked up in paint so I can bring you new content every day. Experiments aren't cheap. And the group, Go Make Some Art, the link is there. Do join us, post pictures of your masterpieces, and should you find yourself in a painting pickle, there will always be someone there to help you. Yeah, that's it for today, you guys. I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.